How to remove member in Notion. In this video, I'll show you how to remove member on TeamSpace in Notion. So to get started, go ahead and open notion.com into your preferred browser. Now, once you're in here, go ahead and sign into your account. So you can sign into your account if you already have one, or sign up for an account if you have not yet created an account. So you can also sign into your account using the Google account signed in into that browser that you're currently using. So I'll just simply click on this continue as this user from this Google account, and that will take me into my dashboard. Now, once you're on your dashboard, go ahead and click on settings at the left side of your screen. So under here, go ahead and click on people. So that is where you can actually find the member list that can access this workspace. So if you have members on team spaces, you can also find that there, but mine can be found on people. So head over to members tab, and then from here click on the role at the right side of that specific member that you want to remove, and then click on that remove user from this specific workspace, and that will allow you to easily remove that specific user from accessing your workspace. And that is how you can basically remove member in Notion. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.